Hello from beautiful Deloraine, Tasmania. We're staying at the Apex Caravan Park, which is right alongside the Meander River. We'll meander through the town of Deloraine on its many walking trails and show you the beautiful rivers and town, its quirkiness, the eclectic style, and our first ever sighting of the magnificent platypus in the wild. We're at the information centre and check out the view they have. Amazing. staying at the Apex Caravan Park. We've got the railway line running the length of it, but I haven't heard of the train yet, so reception over there. As you come into the Caravan Park, on the right hand side of the park are all the slab sites, and they're quite big. They're the lowered numbers sites, and where we are, starting I think from site 28, are the grassed sites. There's also lots of tables and chairs dotted around the place if you need to get away from the site for a bit. Our first day in Tasmania, and the wind is relentless, but at least the sun is out. So obviously these guys get fed. There's signs everywhere saying don't feed them because they've just come racing up. Hello duckos, how you doing? I've got nothing for you. Alright, moving on to the next person. Alrighty. Hi guys. Hi. Baby native hen chicks. Aren't they adorable? Such a pretty, pristine, serene caravan park. The wild wood track. So there's a couple of caves there where you can possibly see some water rats, some platypus, tiger quolls, echidnas, wallabies, and the vocal brown froglet. Looks pretty awesome. Yep, we've got our train coming. So there's Maud, there's the train. Blow your horn, please. Come on. How cool is that? So this is the second train for the day. And oddly enough, it's not a really loud track. And there you have it. Very close, but not loud. Our first platypus. Oh my goodness.
Did you get it, man?
How cool is that?
There it is.
He's back. Yeah. Oh, hello. Bubbles is always a good sign there's a platypus. There he is. So close. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's beautiful. Olive misturned for us. Thank you. Absolutely in awe of these little creatures.
You're going to see so much in a year. Wow.
That was pretty cool. What just happened, hun?
I saw platypus in the wild. It was right there.
It was exciting, wasn't it?
It was.
Even they're scratching their ears and everything. How cool was that? Yeah. Well, good morning from Deloraine, Tasmania. We're staying at the Apex Caravan Park and we're going to go for a walk into town today. The Caravan Park is a shared area with the public, so you've got picnic tables and public trails as well, but that's not a problem. But this is the view. How beautiful is this? The sun is actually shining at the moment, but I've got thermals on. What do you reckon, hun?
Yeah, it's still a little bit windy, but it's a beautiful spot. It really is a nice, peaceful spot.
It's so serene, isn't it?
Yep.
Even with the trains going through, it was still a quiet train, I suppose. But look at this. We've got... Hello, you're older than the other ones on the other side. Hi. They're the native Tasmanian hen. I'll let you pass. Go on, go with Mum.
Yeah, this one's looking at you.
Okay, Mum. Come and get your little chickie. There you go. Oh, here comes Dad. Excellent. Family is back together again. Yeah, but the native hen is a protected species. And there's quite a few trails around the river here. So yeah, really peaceful.
Yep.
Really?
Day 2 of being Tasmanian, I've seen 2 platypuses in the wild.
I know, it's so very exciting to see them in the wild. It's got some ducks. Oh, more chickadees. They're a bit older too. All right. Along the trail, you'll see some very interesting sculptures. walking along, and we've come to Steampunk and Fantasy Shop. Oh, I love the dress. Let's have a look inside. Medieval Festival, 8th to 9th of November. Oh, we're going to miss it. So the owner of this particular establishment is a history buff, and he loves his Jack the Ripper history. So we're going to go into Whitechapel Lane and have a look around. Oh wow, okay, this is different. Wow, all the signs. Oh, this is very creepy, but very cool. Who was Jack the Ripper? So if you're in Deloraine, come and have a look. I think the Ingleston Lodge would be quite an interesting bed and breakfast. You got Lauren Hardy up there. Lots of little knick-knacky things around. How cool is that? Very nice.
This place is one of those spots where you continually are looking, because there's things that you don't realise are there in plain view until you actually have a good look.
Very cute.